Three things. So the longer the bow stroke for Martele, the more challenging. Let me see Martele, just do Re major, Martele. Three things. So the longer the bow stroke for Martele, the more challenging. Challenge yourself to play a Martele from frog to tip. I would give that 80 out of 100 because there are still shakes. I don't want them. I want not good. Better. That was good. No noise before, no noise after. Number two, I want to not press down, it's all about bow speed. It's all about going from here to here as fast as possible. Not good. Two of those were very good. The rest, not so much, right? And number three, of course you want the bow not to, yeah? When you are going high on the E string, you have to become, fortissimo on the E string is generally very good, but you have to become more used to bringing the E string up into the bow. So as you go, where's a good example? What I'm doing is lowering my shoulder so this part of the violin drops down, so this part of the violin rises up. It's a seesaw, yes? And I present the E string to the bow. Right now, the E string is much, much higher than normal, right? So when you're practicing a Collet or Martele scale, do you see how I've moved the violin? Yeah? I probably will not have to play up there, but what if?